trap beat. My name is Sam. I eat a lot of ham, and you look like lamb. Take my AR-15 and I go kablam. You are bland. You are damned. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here, and today I'm coming at you guys with another video. And today we're gonna be making some Oobleck. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna be making some handy dandy Oobleck here, and we're also gonna have some. Basically, what you're gonna want to do is just take your Oobleck and there you go. So now you got your Oobleck. All right. So what you're gonna want to do with your cornstarch, you're just gonna want to put a tad bit, just a little cornstarch in there, you know, and then add your chocolate chips. Usually you would use water, but today we're gonna be using some apple juice. You just want to mix that up until you get a good, so now you just want to get that all over your hands, and then you want to keep adding this in, and eat up. Kind of caught my hand there, and it kind of hurt me, and it's just a little bam. So you just want to keep adding it in. Okay, so you just want to keep stirring this up until it gets nice and hard. So yeah, just get everything that's on the sides, Don't boil it in that, that'll burn. It's burning. Also, you want to put a nice lock of hair in there. And we need a nice lock of hair. Time for a hair. Okay, now you just want to put your hair in there. Oh wait, for some solidness, we should add some Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt? Yeah. Good. Well, this is gonna be pretty fantastic. Get 1 spoon. Oh my God! We should turn this off. Yeah, turn. Yeah, I'll turn it up all the way. Oh! Make sure you want to stir this, and then you just want to put it back in your bowl. See, what do we do with this? Where is the hair? I don't know. And next up, for some cool school experiments, you want to heat up your knife to 1,000 degrees. Yeah. See, look, 1,000-degree knife. Let's get out a cutting board. Non-slip. Remember, safety is #1 priority. Dude, it's actually working. Oh! Okay, 1,000-degree knife. 1,000-degree knife going on. It's going twice. Oh, it goes right through, just like that. Oh yeah, Brennan. What do you have to say to this? This is very nice. This is a good school experiment. I would do this too. Smoke in the air. I want to get stabbed by this. Okay, now you want to heat up your... Dude, that's getting it really on fire, dude. Oh, cuts right through, just like that. What in the world was I thinking? No, Brennan, don't light this on fire. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do some other experiments. Dude, look at that water, it's so grimy. Like Flint, Michigan, dude. Yeah, for Super Bowl? Yeah, for Go Falcons. Go Falcons. Go Green Bay. This is some high quality Oobleck, dude. Brennan. I like fire. No. I like fire. I like fire. You can take some tortillas. And you can, drink that apple J. Drink that apple J. This is gross. Why are we doing this? What are you talking about? For money. $1? Dude, yeah, $1 every year. It's like more than my parents spend on me. Is that the tortilla?
Maybe.
Siri, call 911.
Siri, don't.
Well, this is starting to boil. That's ready for the boiling water to be poured. Yes, clean up a little bit. Raindrop. Underage drinking.
Is really cool.
Yeah. Driving drunk isn't bad.
Holy crap!
What?
Oh, turn it off. Turn it off.
Hot. Whoa! No, it's my first birthday.
Happy birthday, Brennan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh. Let's start a grease fire. Okay, for our next challenge, we're going to turn this into my birthday surprise, okay?
Yep.
This is my birthday. Can you turn edible 1,000-degree knife into birthday cake? We're going to find out right now. So far, sprinkles is a no. Sprinkles is a fail.
Dude, use the sugar. Use the red crystal sugar. Yeah, that stuff. It's a yes. It's a yes. I see it.
Plausible.
Oh, no.
Plausible.
So far, guys, we're not so sure.
Okay, I don't know what this is. But this says cake on it, and it's in German.
Cake gel. Oh, I see it. I see it. No.
Got my Xanax.
Coming in the air tonight.
That grody. Green grody.
Dude, nice grill.
Yeah.
Oh, it's blue. I'm just gonna leave this on for the rest.
Next, you want to get some good vinegar, because all cakes have vinegar. Look at the candle! No, they can't see it.
Oh my god.
Okay. What, do you think that I was
Where'd
thinking about turning this into a cake? Okay, now we have to make this into my birthday.
Oh, you're gonna
my
do
favorite.
double, you're gonna do
My
double,
favorite.
no?
I'm gonna drop. I would like.
This would be really good.
My next birthday, I want you to make this for me.
Okay, I will. You're commanded.
Why is it still smoking?
I don't know. I think we're making a bomb.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Just kidding. See.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
All the sprinkles are floating to the top and crap.
The candle. Oh my god.
This is actually turning into. Is it solid or is it liquid?
That is the question. Oh crap. He's done enough.
Okay, how do we end this? Do I like throw it outside?
Yes.
Okay, test number 3. Will it snow?
So our Oobleck turned out to be pretty well. We
Didn't really work out as birthday cake, sadly. I'll just go around, I won't have anything special for my birthday.
yeah.
It's fine.
So it was good. It was good. But next time we'll be coming at you guys with an even better birthday cake / 1,000-degree knife prank in your 3-year-old's birthday cake. Brennan?
चलते चलते ये कहाँ ठहर गए तुम मेरे साथ चलते चलते ये कहाँ ठहर गए तुम.
Alright, well, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I hope you guys like this video. Can we reach 8 zillion likes on this video? And I'm really hoping you guys just go down and smash that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, the beat go off?
Patty cake, nigga wanna be like Patty get 80. go subtle. Only speak the language of lettuce.